Hi, I'm Tom Randall from Sony Ericsson, and I'm the account training manager for Carphone Warehouse, and I'm also the project manager for this new Sony United unit. We're really excited about this refresh. You'll find this coming into your stores very soon, and this video is just to take you through and demonstrate to you the brand new products such as the Xperia X10, the latest Vaio, the latest Bravia, and also our latest stereo Bluetooth headset, the MW600. So we're going to be taking you through these products, how they talk to each other and how the demo stand works. So this new and improved Sony United stand, how it all works, it uses the latest UPnP technology, which stands for Universal Plug and Play. Now most devices that use this technology will carry a DLNA certification. You'll see this logo on most products. So what this means is that products can connect to your normal home domestic wireless router to create a home network. So devices can share media content from one to another, such as we have on our demo stand. We have the Xperia X10, which has an amazing 8.1 megapixel camera. Any photographs taken on the camera will then be shared to other devices such as your Vaio, which is then also connected to your Bravia TV. And how this is done is inside our demo stand we have a router hidden on board. Now this router connects up the X10, the Vaio and the TV all together in our own home network. So next I'm going to take you through some step-by-step demos of how this all works, how we would share our photographs from the X10 to our Vaio laptop, and also how we use the MW600 stereo Bluetooth headset. So first of all I'm going to show you the X10 and how we share our photos taken on the amazing 8.1 megapixel camera with our home network, which is inbuilt here on this Sony United stand. So first of all, for those of you who are not familiar with the Xperia X10, we've got Mediascape, which has been specifically designed for Sony Ericsson handsets for browsing our online and offline photographs. That takes advantage of obviously the touch interface of the camera, and if we go back you can see the automatic face recognition kicking in there. It will automatically tag up 5 of your friends in photographs themselves. But we're going to go back out and take a photo now, because in store this is maybe a good way for you guys to demo it. So if we just go to the camera, just like any other Sony Ericsson camera phone, we just push and hold the camera button and this will bring up the camera menu. Now on this demo stand it's important to remember that we have it in the right megapixel, because you can easily change the megapixel down to a 2 meg or a 2 meg widescreen. So we want to make sure it's in the full capacity 8 megapixel. Or if we want to, we can put it in widescreen at 6 megapixel. Reason for this is when we blow up our photographs on the screen, they will look absolutely fantastic on the high definition quality. So we make sure it's an 8.1 megapixels. And now I'm just going to take a photo of my camera crew. So now we've taken our photograph and this is now successfully saved on a memory card. If we just go back out, we can now share this with our home network, and this is done by using an application we downloaded from Marketplace called iMedia. Now currently the X10 does not have DLNA UPnP built in, but this will come in an update later on in the year. So for now we just download a little application called iMedia, and you can do this from just the Marketplace, and all of your ones installed will already be pre-installed with this application. So if we just go to iMedia, okay, we've got some very simple settings here. So Wi-Fi connectivity is available. We've already got these pre-installed so they connect up to your Wi-Fi router. Now once they're already connected to the Wi-Fi, we just click on local share, and then down here we've got a little button that says add. So we tap here and then it will bring up a selection of all of our photographs that are on our memory card and the handset itself. So here is the photograph we just took. So if I just tap that, it'll then tick it, and then we click add. So it will now add this photograph to our sharing folder on the handset. So then we go back to our server status and click the server is switched off. We turn it on, and this turns on the server on the handset and shares these photographs with your home network. So now any other device connected to our home network on the Sony United pod will receive these photos. And that's exactly what we've got the Vaio here for. So now if we go to the Vaio, we have this beautiful video running, which is to attract the eye of customers. They might come over, they see the video, they can watch it, it'll tell them everything about the stand. But if we just push escape, we can then minimize this video loop, and then you will see the standard Windows 7 layout. Now, which I'm sure most of you are familiar with Windows. We just need to bring up My Computer or File Explorer. So we just click down here in Start, okay, and click Computer. Now, if you are familiar with Windows, you'll recognize this layout. This is just the standard Windows browser. And it will show you all your favorite locations. So if you're browsing documents, you would click here. It shows you all your libraries, your music and your videos. But in addition to Windows 7, you'll see down here we've got Network. So this shows all of our network devices that are available to us, and of course this is exactly what the X10 is using iMedia. So if we click on Network, we will see here iMedia Share on Android. So this is our X10 sharing over the network. We double tap this, it will automatically open in Windows Media Player because obviously it recognises it's carrying some media, so it'll open the media player. So we click on iMedia Share Android, and we want to look at the photographs that we're sharing through the network. So all pictures, and you can see here all the photographs we've selected to share from our X10. And you can see at the top we have our photograph of our camera crew standing right behind you. So we're going to double tap this photo to expand it. And of course the benefit of this all connected up via HDMI between the Via and the Bravo, it means that we can really see our photographs in the full high definition quality that they deserve. So if we just expand this to full screen, we can really show off the detail on the photographs taken in the 8.1 megapixel. So we can actually, as well as showing off the home network sharing technology, we can also show off the clarity of the 8.1 megapixel camera on the Xperia X10. So as well as displaying these photos in full quality, there are other benefits to sharing your photos over the home network. So we can back them up also. So these photos displaying on our Via screen now, we can copy them to the hard drive, from which of course we can then print them, send them away, email, or upload them to our Facebook profile too. So it's a great way of sharing connectivity and sharing our content without the need for any wires whatsoever. So next up, we've got the MW600, which is the latest stereo Bluetooth headset from Sony Ericsson. Now there's some great features to go with this device, okay? It's the first stereo headset from us, which features a built-in FM radio and the ability to pair to 3 devices simultaneously. So we have an X10 and we have a Vio, and we can still have space to connect to another device such as a PlayStation. So with the X10, I'm just going to show you how you pair it up. On the demo stand itself, the MW600 is not live. This product is switched off, but if you do have a live MW600 in store, you will be able to show you how this works. So I'm going to show you using my MW600 headset, okay? So to put this device into pair mode, it's very simple. We just push and hold the power button, and then you'll see the device turn on. The device has an OLED screen which shows you when it's turned on. If you keep holding it without letting go, this displays that it's in pair mode. And what you'll find is that it actually has 3 selections. So this is to pair it with device 1, 2 or 3. And we have a little touchpad on the top of the headset which allows you to slide and select which handset we want to replace. So if you've just upgraded your phone and you've replaced your mobile phone, then you can change just that device on there. So we're going to change what device is on number 3. So now the headset is in pair mode. So we would then just go to our X10 device. And to add a Bluetooth headset, it's very simple again. We just go into settings, so find settings in the apps menu. Okay, wireless controls. Go into Bluetooth. And inside the settings, we'll just scan for devices. So we select scan for devices, and it will come up with all the Bluetooth devices available. So at the top here, we have a little symbol for headphones, which is the MW600. So now if we tap on the MW600, so the X10 now says that the handset is now connected via phone and media. The difference with this is the MW600 not only is for listening to music, but it's also for phone calls as well. You have a microphone built into the top, as well as a 3.5mm jack for plugging in whatever headphones you like. So now it's connected, we would just listen to music. So again, we go to Mediascape, and this is where you will find all of your music on the X10 device. And then when we start playing a track, it will now play the music through full stereo Bluetooth to your headset completely wirelessly. Once the handset obviously is in your pocket and you're listening to music, the MW600 headset also has its own music control buttons on the bottom. So if we click play, it will then start and stop the music accordingly. And then we've got skip tracks, so we can skip the track forward and skip the track back as well. And then on the top we have obviously this touch sensitive panel. We can obviously slide it up and it will turn the volume up on the device, and then we do the same down and it will turn the music down. Now the MW600 does have the ability to connect to multiple devices. You can actually select which of those it is connected to at a single time. So for phone calls and music, they can be selected to 2 different devices at the same time. So we push and hold the phone call button, and just like when we're in pair mode, it will bring up the same options 1, 2 and 3. And then using the touchpad, we just select those devices again. Same with audio. So if we push and hold the play button, it'll then bring up the functions for music and media. Now the difference with this one is that at the bottom we'll see this little symbol for radio, and this is the built-in FM radio. And then it will bring up on display the frequency of which you want to tune. So you would then use the skip track buttons to change frequency while listening to the radio, completely independent no matter which device it is connected to. So you can take this with you no matter where you are on its own and use it as a full FM radio. So another one of the benefits of this device, being full stereo Bluetooth, you can have it connected to, as I mentioned earlier, a mobile phone, a laptop or even a games console, all 3 at the same time. So now I've shown you the Sony United stand and everything that it offers you and your customers in store, bringing the best-in-class products from Sony and Sony Ericsson into one unique stand that really displays the benefits of home networking. So this is how the Sony United stand works, and obviously the X10 is a brilliant Android device, 8.1 megapixel camera, 1 GHz Snapdragon processor, and of course the absolute abundance of applications available on Android market currently for this device, including of course our favourite iMedia application. And then we have our Vio laptop, the latest one, with a full numerical keyboard, a high resolution display, and of course, where would we be without the HDMI out connectivity to our home television Bravia? And of course the MW600 stereo Bluetooth headset. Now don't forget your training packs. If you need any assistance, you'll find my contact details or your local Sony Ericsson representative in there or on the Insider website. If you do need some help with troubleshooting, we have a few extra videos just to help you with the more technical stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.